Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is my very first power hour. Yeah, and it's a real life one. I gotta go pick up my kids from school in an hour. They stayed after for band and wrestling, so I really need to kick my butt into gear. Today's video is actually a collab with Lacey. She makes awesome videos on her channel, lifestyle hauls, kind of like how to live more intentional, like really good motivational videos. So I want you guys to go check her out after you're done watching my video and subscribe.
Since this is a real life power hour, like I literally need to go pick up my kids in an hour, I wrote down everything that I needed to do. That way I wouldn't walk around in circles and waste time. So here I am setting my timer for 1 hour and we are off. I, for some reason, thought it would be quicker to hand wash these dishes. I underestimated how many dishes there were in the sink. I thought it would be faster than trying to unload my dishwasher, then load everything back up. It literally took me like 20 minutes to get through all these dishes. I did not realize how many was there. And this is all just from this morning. I did the dishes last night and put them in the dishwasher, and these are from making breakfast. I decided to make a bigger breakfast this morning because my husband was working from home, and like I made potatoes and bacon and like all the good stuff, but I forgot how much dishes that creates. Worth it, but not worth it to hand wash all those dishes. I had done a self-clean on my oven the day before, and I had yet to wipe it out. So I was going to take the racks out and wipe all the ash out of the oven because it is a new oven and I want to try and keep it like as nice and clean as possible for as long as possible. And it's very easy to sort of forget that and then let stuff build up. So every couple months I'm going to do a self-clean and like really try and keep it pretty. And this next part is actually kind of funny because I forgot how to put the racks back in. I was like, what the heck? I don't know what I'm doing. And I finally figured it out. I don't wear jeans to clean. I just find it very uncomfortable, but I had ran errands earlier that morning and I went to my grand opening of my Aldi. And I made a video about that experience, so I will link it up above. I'm usually a shoes off kind of girl in the house as well, but I had just gotten back and I'm getting ready to run out. So there are exceptions sometimes to the rules that I implement on myself. I do laundry, I think, every day. I think at least I do one load of laundry every day, and I have to do that to keep up. On the weekends, I sometimes let that slide because I know that Monday I have all day where I can just kind of do a couple loads, but I definitely have to do laundry every single day during the week to keep up with all the laundry. I had a little bit of time left, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and mop. That way the floors have a little bit of time to dry when I'm on my way to go get the kids. And I just love the spin mop. It is my favorite mop besides my steam mop that I like to use, because it like doesn't leave that much water on the floor, and also it's just something about a mop and a bucket that I love. I feel like it gets the floor so clean, and I love that you can wash the heads in the washing machine, and I've already done that once, and it like all the dirt just came right out of it. So here is all the clean goodness. All done. All done. So I was actually surprised at how much I could get done in a power hour. I guess small house rules. Woo! So I want you guys to go over and check out Lacey on her channel. I will link that right here and also in the description box below. Go say hi for me and subscribe to both her and me if you haven't already. See you guys.